Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at two 10 out of 10 tech stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at two tech stocks that score a perfect 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. Now the Smart Score looks at 8 unique factors and measures a stock's likelihood to outperform the overall market. Today we'll take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and also how Wall Street analysts are weighing in on the stock's future potential. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's get right into our two 10 out of 10 tech stocks. First up, we have Credo Technology Group. They trade under the ticker CRDO and are currently priced at $17.73 per share. Over the last 6 months, the stock has climbed nearly 25%, but has been cooling off in the last 3 months, down over 17%. They score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score, with increased hedge fund activity, very positive crowd wisdom, and positive technicals. Credo's mission is to deliver high-speed solutions to break bandwidth barriers on every wired connection in the data infrastructure market. They provide innovative, secure, high-speed connectivity solutions that deliver improved power and cost efficiency as data rates and corresponding bandwidth requirements increase exponentially throughout the data infrastructure market. At their core, the company develops unique patented mixed-signal IP. They were founded back in 2008 and became publicly traded in 2022. So the stock is still fairly new, being publicly traded for just over 2 years. They'll be sharing their Q4 earnings report next month on May 29th. For their Q4, analysts will be anticipating earnings per share of 5 cents, which will be a notable increase over last year's loss per share of 4 cents. This follows their Q3 back in February, where they reported earnings per share of 4 cents, beating estimates by 1 penny. Revenue for their third quarter came in at $53.1 million, which grew 20% quarter over quarter. And for their fourth quarter, they're expecting revenue between $59 and $62 million. The Credo stock has attracted the attention of several Wall Street analysts, and a few months ago was added to the conviction list at Needham. They said that several encouraging trends should drive the Credo shares higher this year, including continued capacity additions of AI training clusters, boosting demand for higher speed and energy-efficient connections in the data center. We also recently had an analyst from Craig-Hallum increase their price target on the Credo stock. They noted their connectivity peer Astera Labs IPO last month, demonstrating the power of AI, and said that as Credo sees increasing exposure to AI, we would not be surprised to see their valuation converge with Astera Labs. We continue to view Credo as a better risk-reward play on connectivity themes that intersect with AI. The stock currently has 8 analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 7 buys and 1 hold. And with an average price target of $27.38, analysts are predicting some sizable upside, as that would imply upside of 55% from current prices. Looking at our ratings down below, our low-end price target is a buy rating from Barclays with an upside of 29.5%, and our high-end price target, we have 4 at 69% upside. Our second 10 out of 10 tech stock is a company called Trimble. They trade under the ticker TRMB and are priced at just above $59 per share. Their stock has climbed over 25% in the last 6 months and 14.5% in the last 3. They score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score, with notable increased hedge fund activity, increasing by 6 million shares last quarter, positive crowd wisdom, and once again some positive technicals. Trimble Navigation is focused on providing the software, hardware, and services needed in high-tech manufacturing. They work with a wide range of industries, including building and construction, agriculture, government, transportation, utility, and even specialties like geospatial imaging. Their products include items such as inertial navigation systems, global navigation satellite system receivers, aerial drones, laser rangefinders, and software processing tools to put all of this together. They'll be sharing their Q1 earnings report in about a week's time on May 1st, and this does follow an earnings beat for their Q4. This follows their fourth quarter, where they reported earnings per share of 63 cents and also had some other record results, including annual recurring revenue, gross margin, and adjusted EBITDA. Revenue came in at $932.4 million, which is up 9% year over year, and their record annualized recurring revenue of $1.98 billion was up 24% year over year. Recently weighing in on the Trimble stock was an analyst from Oppenheimer who did note the company's solid annual recurring revenue growth. They noted that Trimble is making it easier for customers to do business with it by realigning its go-to-market from product-based to account-based sales, which they believe can drive bottom-line reacceleration as sales efficiency improves. They also believe that they have a long runway of incremental catalysts, including closing the AGCO joint venture, deleveraging and buybacks, resegmentation, continued portfolio refinement, and their second half investor day. The stock comes in as a strong buy with 6 current analyst ratings, breaking down to 5 buys and 1 hold. The average price target comes in at $66.80 for an upside potential close to 13%. Looking at the recent ratings down below, on the low end we do have a hold from back in February with a downside of 3.75%, and our high-end price target is the most recent here from Piper Sandler with an upside of over 23%. So that is a quick look at 2 tech stocks that score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments down below what you think of these 2 tech stocks and what others have caught your eye lately. I do always love hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please make sure you always stick to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.